Tired of subscriptions you're not using? Let's make sure you're not charged for a Walmart Plus trial you don't want. In this super quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your Walmart Plus free trial before it turns into a paid membership, saving you money and keeping you in control. First, grab your smartphone or computer and open the Walmart website or app. Now look for the account icon. It's usually a little person icon. Tap on that. The location might be in the top right or bottom right corner of your screen, depending on whether you're on the website or app. In the account menu, you should see Walmart Plus. Tap on that. This will take you to your Walmart Plus membership details. Okay, almost there. Scroll down the page until you find the option that says cancel membership. It might also say end trial or something similar. Tap on it. Walmart will now ask you to confirm your cancellation. They might try to entice you to stay, but stick to your guns. Look for the option to fully cancel your membership and confirm. You should now see a confirmation message that your Walmart Plus trial has been canceled. You can usually still enjoy the benefits until the end of the trial period. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Walmart Plus trial. Now you can enjoy that money and use it for something else. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.